Hello, Margaret Ann here again. I want to go over with you how to open the file in Design Space and to ungroup them. So first you're going to go to the upload, and here you can see I've uploaded the images already, but I'm going to show you. Go ahead and go to Upload Image and browse your computer. Here's Chicago Bears. Let's see. Let's go ahead and use this one. Well, as you notice, I almost made a mistake here. Here is the ping file. Okay, make sure that you are opening the right type of file that you're wanting to work with. So we're just going to go back out of here, go to the SVG file, and here is the image again with the bear on the football. This is the JPEG file. This is the SVG file. So we're going to click SVG, open. And we're going to give this a name. I already named it once, but let me just do this again. Bear on football 2. Okay, and then we're going to hit, we're going to hit save. Okay, and here's my image. So we're going to click on the image. Oops, sorry. We're going to click on the image. Don't want that one. Don't do this one. Insert image over here at the right hand bottom of your screen. Okay, now here it opens up. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things here. This one opens up small right here, and then you can drag it, and you can see the image got quite bigger. So we're just going to go ahead and minimize that back down a little bit. Okay, with your image selected, you're going to come over here to the right top of your screen, and it's going to say Ungroup. You're going to click Ungroup. Okay, and then here's your images ungrouped. Now, my images group in different ways. Some people like it to where the blue here is by itself, so if I clicked on the blue, only the blue would come off. And when I do that, you see the football is also outlined in blue. So it takes the blue with it. Okay, and here we have a gray copy, and then the orange background layer, which is more of a solid color. Now let's say you want this image, but you don't want the football. You're just wanting to take off the bear and use the bear. Okay, doing the SVG this way on how I have it formatted is not going to work. Okay, so we're going to delete these. Give me 1 second. I just want to see something real quick. I think I just noticed something. If I go here, let's edit. Oh no, just cut, copy, paste. Okay, never mind. We're just going to go ahead and delete, and we're going to go back over to upload image. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to upload image again. Go to browse. This time, instead of the SVG, we're going to go back and we're going to input the PNG file. PNG. So we're going to grab the same image, but in PNG format. Click open. And now you're going to have these 3 boxes here to the right. And what they're going to be is simple, if you have something really simple, and moderate for more complex, and then very, very complex. This is pretty simple. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put simple and continue. Okay, now here we get to edit this image. So again, let's say you are obviously just wanting the bear. So we're going to scroll down here. You have 3 icons up here at the right hand corner. You have a select tool and erase, and then you have just an erase tool, and then you have a crop tool. We're going to hit the one that looks like a wand. Okay, and we're going to come down here and we're going to click on the orange, and voila, the orange is all gone. Now, we don't want to do the blue the same way, because if we click on the blue, whoops, it took off the bear. So over here to the right on the top is undo. Click on undo. It brings it back. So now we're going to go and we're going to hit this little erase tool here up at the top here on the left. And it gives you a little dial to where you can make the circle larger or smaller. Okay, we're going to go with kind of a medium-sized tool on this one. And we are going to, over here at the right on the top where your undo is, there's a zoom in and zoom out button. We are going to zoom in. And we're going to scroll down just a little bit. And we're going to detach him from that blue line. So just use your wand and just go around a little bit to make his finger, not his finger, sorry, his paw blend in a little bit. And then take the wand and get rid of the rest of that line. Now he's attached in two places. So we're going to go to the right. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, now if we zoom back out, he's detached. So we're going to make our wand a little bigger. And then we're going to just erase the rest of this. And my computer goes a little slow, so I have to do it in spurts here. We're just going to make sure that the rest of this is deleted. Okay. All right. So now that he's deleted, that's deleted. Now we have just our bear. So at the bottom right is continue. So you're going to hit continue. Now you can save this as a print then cut image, or just a cut image to where it just cuts the outline. Okay. We're going to save this as a print and cut. So make sure the green is highlighted around this side of the image. And then at the bottom right, hit save. Okay, and there you see we have our bear. So you can click on the bear. And then at the bottom right again, click insert image. And it takes a minute. There we go. And now you have your image. Okay, and you can scroll him in and out. All right, then you can get it printed. Okay, so we're going to delete that. Now, here's another issue. My files are large. I'm going to show you another way. Some of you are saying that when you open the image, you don't see the image. Well, this is why. Let's go down here. We're going to upload an image. I'm going to show you using this image here because this is one of them that I used before. So I'm going to click on this image and click insert. Okay. I do have my screen. Down here at the bottom left is your screen where it says zoom in and out. Some people forget to use this down here on the bottom left. Okay. They will have their screen mode zoomed in really far like I do here. And then if it's trying to upload, you're going to say, oh, it's not there. I don't see anything. It's not there. Remember to come to this tool. Zoom out of your screen. Because if you zoom out of your screen, you will end up seeing the image. As you see, I'm like all the way down to 25, and this image is extremely large. So if we just go and zoom or scroll down, I apologize. I'm not used to making videos, so I'm sorry if I'm talking rambly, but I don't mean to. When we hit this little button here, drag it in, then scroll back up, grab it again, shrink it down a little more. Some of my files come out really large and some come out, they're the same 12 by 12. Okay, so you can get a good 12 by 12, but some of them, depending on the system, makes them extremely large to where, you can print really nice, huge items with these things. So now, We're still at 25, and that's still really large, but we can actually move it over. There we go. But I'm just showing you this to give you an idea that if you do open an image up and you don't see it after a while, because sometimes they do take a while to load, if you do not see that, make sure to check your zoom in and zoom out buttons down here at the bottom left hand corner. Make sure you zoom out as far as you possibly can. Move your dials, right to left and up and down to make sure that you can find the image because it's there. Okay, I want to go over with you again after you shrink this down and you get this on you find it and you can get it shrink down on there. When you go to ungroup this, I need you guys to watch this too. Ungroup the image. Okay, now the image is ungrouped. So we're going to click on this black one. We're going to pull it over. And again, it does a gray. So we're going to pull the gray down. Now this is the outline. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here really close because I want you guys to see this. Please make sure when you do your print and cut or engraving, you are using the outline that has the smooth edges going around. Now, the program that I use to help me create some of these files, they sometimes, not all, but sometimes they throw in an extra layer, and I'm going to show that to you real quick here. Now, this is all smooth, so when you go and you cut this, it's going to come out smooth. Now, we're going to go and look at this other gray layer. If you use this layer, see how this layer has spaces on it? And it's kind of got a little cut here, and it's jaggy right here. Do not try to print your items using this layer. Because if you do, you're going to get choppy vinyl, and it is just not going to print right or look right whatsoever. So please zoom all the way in. Make sure you're using the correct layer that has these smooth sides to it. So we're just going to go ahead and delete that layer there. We're going to come back over here. Let me zoom back out so I can show you. So we have the outline layer, and then we have the solid layer. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me. God bless everyone, and please stay safe.